Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Meta AI video generator. In order to do so, here we are at meta.ai. And what you can do is you can use Meta to generate images and create videos. However, you cannot upload your own images and generate videos from that. If that functionality is here, I have tested it out and it doesn't seem to be the case. So here you can see that what I was able to do was I generated an image of a dragon, and then I asked Meta to animate the dragon, and it did so. The animation is somewhat limited. It's a little bit static there, but you still get some kind of cool animation out of it. However, when I tried to upload my own image, I was not able to generate a video from that. So I'll show you here how it works. Let's just do something kind of fun here. Show me a cute bunny owl. So Meta is now going to generate an image for us. And there we go. We've got kind of a cute little character here. And then you can see this button here that says animate. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And in just a few moments here, we have our animation. So it is somewhat limited. It's just kind of moving around and stuff, but it does add some movement to our image, and you can really do quite a bit with it. I mean, it's limited, but you can essentially create unlimited images and unlimited video generations with it as well. So that's pretty cool. But you cannot upload your own images and generate video for that. That functionality, at least for now, does not exist. So that's all there is to it. Head over to meta.ai and you could start using that functionality. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to start an account with Simply. And if you get signed up, then you can use the referral link. You can use your own referral link to sign up your friends and family and get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 in their account to start. It's a great deal. It's a win-win situation. Simply is a fantastic bank and highly recommended.